Front-end versus back-end versus full stack. Which should you pick? So let's break down these three in plain language so you can actually pick one. So if you have been on the fence on which to learn, which to start with, or which to focus on, then watch this video as we are going to break down everything and you'll be able to make a decision at the end of this video. So let's start with front-end. So front-end is everything you see and touch in the browser. It includes things like buttons, layouts, colors, animations, forms, and dashboards. So if you're someone who enjoys visuals, you enjoy design and making things feel good for the user, then front end is basically something you really want to look into. You think a lot about components, responsiveness, user experience, and turning designs into interactive interfaces. And now backend, on the other hand, is the hidden engine behind the scenes. So basically think of things like logic, data, and systems. When you log in, save data, search, get recommendations, or even make payments online, that's basically backend. If you like problem solving, performance, scaling, security, APIs, and thinking in terms of how the whole system fits together, then backend will feel very natural for you. Backend is heavy on logic, data structures, models, workflows, and system thinking. It's about making sure everything works correctly, efficiently, and safely under the hood. So if you're this kind of person, then definitely go with backend. And now full stack, on the other hand, is when you do both. You're basically a jack of all trades. You build the interface and build the engine behind it. You can design the page, create the API, connect it to the database, and ship a full feature end to end. So full stack is great if you like variety and want to understand the whole picture. But it also means that you'll be juggling more skills at once. So you won't be a deep specialist at either, but you're going to be very good at both and you'll be able to turn ideas into working product. So the final question is, which should you pick? So there is no right or wrong answer. But you need to ask yourself, do you get more excited about how things look and feel, or how things work at scale? Or do you get excited about owning the whole app development process on your own, that is full stack? There is no wrong choice, you just need to pick one lane and go deep and commit to it, get genuinely skilled at it, and build a ton of cool stuff. So if you're actually looking for a resource that can teach you front-end, back-end, and full stack, then check out the Programmers University, which is the link in my bio, where we teach these skills and we have a supportive community of other developers who will guide you throughout your journey. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and see you in the next one.